In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website responsive in Genspark. First, open your website project in Genspark. Give the editor a moment to load and confirm you're in the right project so your updates apply to the correct site. Before changing anything, review the current layout in the editor. Go page by page and scan each section, including headers, text, images, forms, navigation, hero areas, grids, and sidebars. Note anything that feels crowded, stretches too wide, uses fixed widths, or depends on many columns that might collapse awkwardly on a phone. Next, adjust sections, spacing, and content blocks so they fit smaller screens gracefully. Stack multi-column layouts on narrow widths, trim excessive padding and margins, and set sensible max widths on text so lines stay readable. Let images scale within their containers rather than overflowing, and keep a consistent spacing rhythm so the page flows naturally. Aim for comfortable spacing and elements that reflow without breaking. If preview options are available, switch between desktop and mobile views to see how your changes behave. Check several pages, not just the home page, and watch for clipped text, misaligned elements, or buttons that wrap. Preview in both portrait and landscape if that toggle exists, and use what you see to fine-tune alignment, spacing, and stacking order. Simplify oversized elements like images, text blocks, or buttons. Scale down large hero images, use appropriately sized files, keep headlines concise, and set body text to a readable size on phones. Break up long paragraphs when they cause cramped layouts, and shorten button labels if they force wrapping. Make sure tap targets remain comfortable to press without dominating the screen. Test the updated layout again to confirm it adapts cleanly. Scroll through each section, interact with menus, sliders, and forms, and check for unwanted horizontal scrolling or overlapping items. Run through different content types, like a long blog post, a gallery, and the contact page, to be certain the layout holds up everywhere. When you're satisfied, save and publish the responsive version of the site. Your visitors will now enjoy a layout that looks polished on desktops and effortless on tablets and phones.